What is and what is not. The music of the poplar trees enveloped the house, and sounds crept in through my bedroom window. Night might have been still. Leaves rocked back and forth in a rhythmic fashion that ordinarily lulled me to sleep. I could not say when for certain, but soon my eyes would seal. For a while, my thoughts wandered into daytime, into times gone and times to come. When all seemed to gather, I was going into another world. Slowly, I felt myself almost drift into a coma. In a split of a second, a splice in time hit. I tried to remember where I was, but the more I tried, the shifty was my memory. What is now, then was later. It appeared I had been in this state for at least a day. In a flash, the atmosphere around me thickened. The suddenly formed clouds were still clear but felt denser and harder to penetrate. This was the heaviness that weighed me down, the kind that makes aware of its presence as would that of a stair, causing one to turn in the direction of the stair. The formation around me carried this precise countenance. I stretched my arm into the thickness where my fingertips collided with space. There I knew was something or someone. Soon after the collision with the invisible, I felt the thickness intensify. Its frame-like enclosure, in the form of a man, became even much clearer as he drew closer. He extended his limbs, all of them dense particles without skin, to massage my frame with oil from the vessel suspended in air. It became apparent that I, like him, only had a frame without skin. Thank you for listening to this selection from my beautiful collection here. I hope you are now thirsty and want to read more. I have copies of this book on Amazon. It is called The Grip or the Litlena. Thank you.